Hi friends, welcome to this week's weekly challenge. Let us see what we ought to do today. We have got a sheet in which we have the names of the chefs. The specialty column is blank at the moment. However, what you can see in the source data, you have the chef name and their specialty, which is broken down into two sets. So our first objective is to bring all this source data into a single list. Second, you are supposed to find the specialty of the chef and bring it over here. And third, mind you, there might be some errors, so you have to fix the errors as well. So go ahead, pause the video, download the file, and try to find a resolution for this issue. Afterwards, you can come back and I will show you how you can solve this particular issue. Well, now that you are back, let me show you how you can resolve this issue. So first objective, put the source data into a single list. So what we'll do, we'll highlight this second column and then we'll bring the cursor on the top till we get this 4-pointed arrow, drag it and bring that data over here. Then we'll click anywhere inside this and we'll convert it into a table by going in Insert and selecting Table. Then clicking on OK. Same way we come over here also and make this into a table. So Insert and we make this into a table as well. And we click on OK. Now we don't want this drop down, so we'll remove the filter button from here. Now we'll come over here and we'll use the VLOOKUP function. So equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket, what value to look up? This value, comma, where to look up in this data, comma, you want to pick the data from which column? Obviously from the second column. And you want the exact match. So we say 0 and we close bracket and we hit enter. Now you can see that we got the specialty. However, as I had warned you, there would be certain errors and you have to take care of that. So you can see for David, we have got #NA. So first let us check whether there are any trailing spaces after David. So there are no trailing spaces for David over here. We click over here and here you can see there are trailing spaces. So we press the backspace and erase the 3 trailing spaces. Then we press enter and we got the data for David. Now let us check for Lala. So over here we'll scroll down till we see Lala. Here is Lala and you'll see that there are no trailing spaces. We'll come over here and we'll check. So this time we have the trailing spaces over here. So we delete them and we hit enter and we have got the resolution. So we have successfully completed our 3 objectives. We have put the source data in a single list. We have found the specialty and substituted over here. And we have fixed the errors as well. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.